RNA sequencing, or Whole Transcriptome Shotgun Sequencing, is a next-generation sequencing method. Provides snapshot of coding and non-coding transcripts to understand connection between genome and its gene expression, and identify novel features of gene fusion and isoform, as mentioned in next slide. Finally, these slides show systems of RNA sequencing, which are iSequence 100 system, and Next Sequence 1000 and Next Sequence 2000. And Nova Sequence 6000 system, and Nova Sequence X series, and another Nova Sequence 6000 system, as mentioned inside slide.